All right, do you got your ID on you, boss?
I do.
Get out of the ground now.
Look, she's dead.
She's not dead.
She's dead.
Get down.
It started as a routine call, a suspicious vehicle that caught someone's attention. Just another day on patrol. But within minutes, this seemingly ordinary encounter would spiral into one of the most intense confrontations these officers had ever faced.
All right, do you got your ID on you, boss?
I do.
Do you have anything on you, like any type of weapons or anything like that on you?
No,
Nothing like that?
I'm just doing the training center.
All right, you mind stepping back a little bit?
Yeah. But
You mind stepping back a little bit?
Yeah.
I don't want you in my personal space. I need you to step back for a little bit.
Good job.
All right?
No.
Do you have your ID or not?
Yes, it is. Good job.
All right, can I have that?
Yeah.
Now do me a favor, step behind the car.
But that's not the right idea.
Not the what right idea?
No, I got two different ideas.
Okay, well, let me have the Florida one. So do me a favor, just go up against behind the car.
Yeah.
As officers approached the vehicle, something was immediately off. The suspect's demeanor set off alarm bells, nervous, jittery, exhibiting all the telltale signs that this wasn't going to be a simple interaction. Officers attempted to communicate, trying to keep the situation calm, but the tension in the air was undeniable.
Put that down on the seat. Put that down and keep your hands on your lap. Thank you.
Joseph, right? Do me a favor, bud. Just stand up right here.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Yeah, can I sit wrong?
Yep, just put your hands behind your back. Behind your back.
Look,
Put your hands behind your back.
Tensing up.
why are you trusting me?
Put your hands behind your back
You got a cue
now.
on. Now, guys, stop! Stop! What the? Stop!
Stop
the channel.
resisting.
Resisting what?
Stop.
As a federal agent, you're a fed.
Stop grabbing on him.
I'm not doing anything I'm not supposed to do.
Stop.
I'm evoking my weight.
Stop.
Stop. You see how you guys need training?
You're gonna get tased. Move back.
I already did it.
You're gonna get tased.
Let go.
Stop.
Let go.
It sucks, don't it?
Let
You
go.
weren't trained right. Let me train.
Get on the ground.
Show me your fucking head.
Get on the ground.
Show me your fucking head. Don't move. Don't move.
Get out of the car. The commands came repeatedly, urgently, but the suspect wasn't cooperating. What started as nervous behavior quickly escalated into full resistance. The suspect refused to exit the vehicle, and officers found themselves in an increasingly dangerous standoff.
Get out of the ground now. Get out of the car now. Get the out of the car now.
That's real.
Get out of the car now.
That's real.
We need more people. Code 3.
Hey, give me the key.
Stop moving. Move. Get out so you don't get hurt. Get out. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. Get on the floor.
Get out of the car now, damn it.
Stay there.
You're gonna get it again. Get the out of the car.
The warnings became more severe. Officers made it crystal clear. Comply or face lethal force. This wasn't a bluff. This was life or death. But still, the suspect resisted, forcing officers to make split-second decisions about how to gain control without anyone getting killed.
Stop. Baby. Check how many times she's done it this month. The second time she's done this.
Get the out of the car now.
You're going to get it again.
right.
Get up. Don't reach.
Get out of the car
Lay
now.
down on the floor. Lay down on the floor now.
Oh.
Now. Now you're going to get it again.
Get out of the car
Lay
now.
down on the floor. Lay down on the floor now. Now. Now you're going to get it again. Now.
We got one that's refusing to comply with any of our orders. Myself and Yankee, I'm sorry, Delta 21 have 2 taser deployments. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now.
Christopher.
Get the on the ground now.
Christopher Miguel.
Hit him again.
Christopher.
Get down now.
Look, she's dead.
She's not dead.
She's dead.
Get down.
Get on the ground.
Call an ambulance.
Get on the ground.
Yep.
Get on the ground.
Hey. Get down on the ground now.
Right by the second there.
I got lethal now. I got lethal. Don't fucking try me, man.
The suspect would
Get on
momentarily
the
appear to
ground.
comply, giving officers a
on
false
the
sense that
ground.
control had been established.
Get on the
But
ground
just as
now.
quickly, the resistance would reignite. creating a dangerous cycle of compliance and aggression that put everyone at risk.
Lay down on the floor. If you don't start fucking listening, you're gonna get shot. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Escobar's away.
Put your hands out. Put your hands out now.
Protecting us.
Put your hands out.
Angel Escobar.
Put your hands out.
Angel.
Put your hands out.
I can't under your rule.
Put your hands out.
Angel Escobar.
Man, keep your hands clear.
She is clear.
Put them out wider, ma'am.
So why is it she?
Keep
Man,
lethal.
put your hands wider.
Wrong ring.
Don't move.
Wrong ring.
I got lethal. Just stand by. Put your hands out.
I can't. I'm out of breath. I'm dead. And take the bullet and you're doing. And you got that person the way the department said.
All right, he's definitely on the 31 and he's definitely put up for resistance.
Elon Musk has me on file as a key information specialist. And when
All right, thank you. So far we're good. Still lethal coverage and he's still battling about some
No, I'm not.
random stuff.
Elon Musk.
Still got lethal. The subject laying on top of the other one. That's proned out, hands out.
Tell him, call him,
Female. We used our pepper spray. It didn't have an effect on him. And 4 tasers. What's the close units that come in? What's your number? All right, when you get here, come around there. You'll see us behind on the pavement.
Once, twice, multiple times. But here's where it gets shocking. None of it worked.
Joseph, I'm asking you to come on this side and put your hands down.
I can't, dude.
I need you to do it now.
Federally bound.
Put your hands behind your back.
All right, that's fine, but I'm federally bound to be here with this.
All right, go ahead.
Looking at that, you broke out and you don't understand. I got
Don't f***ing move. All right? Don't f***ing move. You understand me?
I can't. I'm not resisting, guys.
Stay on your side. Turn over your side.
I'm setting you up because Lisa has her dollars, her time stamp.
Sit up.
All right, let me do it myself. Hold on, I can hold myself up.
Put your hands on your back. Give me your other hand.
It took me 7 minutes to put me down.
Sit up.
Hello, everybody now.
You got anything on you? You good?
I have a house key in the front right pocket.
Oh, what is it?
A house key.
Okay.
That's the only thing in my pocket.
You weren't hit with the taser or anything like that? You're good?
He hit me on the arm.
He hit you on the arm?
The taser felt like it had shocked me in the arm.
Okay.
As it went across me and did the thing.
All right.
She is the one that's getting you from.
This one.
Lean him up. I'm trying to figure out why.
Sit up.
Yeah, we're in.
Search her real quick.
Put your feet past shoulder width apart. Do you have anything on your person that's gonna poke or stick me?
I have one in my pocket. That should be the only thing.
No needles or anything like that? All right.
So sat down, ran his CL 49. Once we went hands on, he resisted. Taser deployments. He got up, started fighting us. He was trying to go look for my belt. I don't know exactly what it was. What's her name? Julia was telling her, get off his belt, get off his belt. Got my taser out. I was too close. He had me by my foot, so I couldn't release my foot.
Till we figure out what's going on, we're gonna go put you in a car.
Taser didn't have an effect. I was too close. Went to the car, got in the car, trying to take off, and that's when Julia hit him. It was good, but still continued to fight. Okay. We ran out of deployments. We told him to get out. That's when we started making it lethal. Hit him with the pepper spray. Didn't have an effect on him. It had more an effect on me than it did him.
Are you okay?
I'm good. Just kind of the back spray. That's it. The back spray.
All right. So none of the tasers were effective. Pepper spray wasn't effective.
Well,
what eventually made him stop?
Oh, he just started battling.
After exhausting their options and recognizing the futility of continuing the struggle without additional resources, officers made a tactical decision: wait for backup. Rather than escalating to potentially lethal force, they chose caution, demonstrating the restraint required in these impossibly difficult situations.
What's your name?
Orion.
How are you related to him?
He's my boyfriend.
He's your boyfriend? Okay. You're not under arrest or anything, okay? You're gonna get released here. You didn't put up a fight with us. You didn't do anything, okay? You complied to everything that we had to do, okay? When he was in the car, what was he doing?
When we first got in here, he got out, left the car running. That's my water hose, but you where water hose is. And I'm like, I don't even know, why are we here? This place is this.
If you don't mind me asking, what's his drug of choice?
Math.
Meth. When's the last time you shot up, do you know? Yesterday? Is that normal how he acts?
And it's not.
Just check her out for vitals, please. And then we'll cut her loose. Why'd you start fighting us for, man?
I didn't. I was protecting.
What do you mean you did it?
You got paid to protect the Queen of Elizabeth. You wouldn't do it because.
All right, go, bud. Man, now you got my uniform all dirty.
Hey, I don't give a
Put your shoe in, man. Come on, put your foot in.
Hey, babe, give them their video money.
Have a seat, bud.
Sit down.
This is the reality of police work that most people never see. It's not just about physical courage. It's about facing danger repeatedly, knowing that any routine call could turn into a fight for survival. It's about reading those early warning signs, the jittery movements, the invasion of personal space, the nervous energy that signals something is very wrong. The suspect in this case ultimately faced serious charges for their resistance and the chaos they unleashed. But the officers, they faced something different. The lasting trauma of yet another violent encounter, another reminder of just how quickly things can go from routine to life-threatening. This is what it means to wear the badge,